A sequence is a pattern. A term is a part of the pattern. So, for example, if you have the numbers 3, or if you have the sequence 6, 9, 12, this is a term, this is a term, this is a term, this is a term. Arithmetic sequence is when you add or subtract to get the next term. So all arithmetic sequences, they have what's called a common difference. So if I look at this sequence, this is arithmetic because it's going add 3, add 3, add 3. So the common difference is 3. So to calculate the common difference, you need to do the second term minus the first term. So, for example, 6 take away 2 is 4. 10 take away 6 is 4. 14 take away 10 is 4. So the common difference is 4. And for arithmetic sequences, the common difference is always going to be the same. So on these examples, find the common difference. 2 take away 4 is negative 2. 0 take away 2 is negative 2. So the answer is negative 2. 13 minus 8 is 5. 9 minus 12 is negative 3. Because these are always going down 3, so it's negative 3. Write a rule to describe the sequences below, then find the next two terms. So for our rule is, what are we doing to get the next one? So this looks like the numbers are going down, and they're going down by 4. So the rule is subtracting 4. So the next two terms are going to be 7 and 3. This rule is we're adding 1.5. The difference between here and here is 1.5. So the rule is adding 1.5. So the next two terms are going to be 0 and 1.5. So we have done arithmetic sequences. Geometric are when you multiply or divide to get the next number. So just like we had arithmetic, or this common difference, the common ratio, so the ratio is the second term divided by the first term. So in the arithmetic sequence, the common difference was second minus the first term. The common ratio is second divided by first term. So here's our example. 6 divided by 2 is 3. So the common ratio is 3. 8 divided by 4 is 2. So the common ratio is 2. 12 divided by 4 is 3. So the common ratio is 3. 2 divided by 4 is 0.5. So the common ratio is 0.5. Write a rule to describe the sequences below, then find the next two terms. So if I look at these, I'm going from a positive to a negative, from a positive to a negative. So I can't add or subtract. So what I'm doing is I'm going to check to see. It looks like I'm multiplying by 2, multiply by 2, multiply by 2, but it has to be a negative 2. Because it's going from a negative to a positive. So the next two terms are going to be negative 24 times negative 2 is positive 48. 48 times negative 2 is negative 96. And then over here, the numbers are going up, so I'm going to check. So if I go from 4 to 6, I'm adding 2. But if I'm going to go to 6 to 9, I'm adding 3. So now I'm going to check to see if 6 fours, which is 3 halves, is that the same thing as 9 6, which is 3 halves? Yes, it is. So I'm multiplying by 3 halves. So to get the next two terms, I'm going to multiply by 13.5 times 3 halves. So 13.5 times 3 halves is 20.25. And 20.25 times 3 halves is, oops, just a second, 20.25 times 3 halves is 30.375. Determine if each of the following is arithmetic. So arithmetic means you're either adding or subtracting. Geometric is you're multiplying or dividing to get the next term, or neither. So what I first do is I check to see if it's arithmetic. So if it's arithmetic, when I do 10 minus 8, 8 minus 6, 6 minus 4, they're all the same. And it is. I'm adding 2, so this is arithmetic. And then B, if I do 13 minus 5 minus 9, 9 minus 6, 6 minus 4, they're not the same, so it's not arithmetic. Then I try geometric. 13.5 divided by 9, 9 divided by 6, 6 divided by 4 is all 1.5, so it's geometric. So if you add them, if you subtract the numbers between and they're all the same, it's arithmetic. If you divide the numbers, then it's geometric. So I'm going to try this one. 13 minus 9, 9 minus 6, 6 minus 4, they are not the same. Then I do geometric. 13 divided by 9, it's 9 divided by 6, it's not geometric. So it's neither. And the next one, 500 divided by 350 is 150. 350 minus 200 is 150. 200 minus 50 is 150. So it's arithmetic. And then 25 minus 18, 7. 18 minus 3 is 5. 13 minus 10 is 3. So it is not arithmetic. And now I try geometric. So I do 25 divided by 18, and I get 1.5 repeating. And I do 18 divided by 13, oops, 18 divided by 13 is not 1.5 repeating, so it's not geometric. So I divided them and they weren't the same. So it is neither. And then if I subtract these, they're not the same, so it's arithmetic. So then I divide. Negative 12 divided by 12 is negative 1. 12 divided by negative 12 is negative 1. So when I divide them, they're the same, so it's geometric.